Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. Family, just when we thought the Senzo Meyiwa case is done, witness takes 180-degree U-turn. Will the Senzo Meyiwa case ever end? Yesterday, on the 5th of September 2023, the witness by the name Jack Buthelezi was called at the Senzo Meyiwa trial at the Pretoria High Court to come and testify. Buthelezi told the court that in 2020, Bongani Ntanzi, who is one of the 5 accused, told him that police arrested him for killing Senzo Meyiwa along with his friends Mapisa. Buthelezi told the court that Bongani Ntanzi is like a brother to him, as they were even living together in 2019 in a hostel in Rustenburg. During the cross-examination by the prosecutor, Buthelezi said Bongani Ntanzi called him in 2020 and asked him to come meet him in Rustenburg at court, where he was attending to a case he was arrested for. In his testimony, Buthelezi said, on arrival at Rustenburg Court, Ntanzi was sitting in the police car and police who were there gave them space to talk and did not go very far from the car. Both himself and Ntanzi, while sitting inside the police vehicle, Ntanzi told him why he was arrested. The first case, he said, it was that of being found with ammunition, and the other case was because while attending a party in Vosloorus together with his friends, including Mapisa, they were arrested for inflicting injuries on Senzo Meyiwa and killing Senzo Meyiwa. He said after telling him all this, Ntanzi cried. He gave Ntanzi 500 rands and left. Since that day, they never met again. Family, let's just watch this clip where Ntanzi is, Buthelezi is testifying before the court of law.
Yes, but you mentioned that some of the police officers were seated in the vehicle. What happened to them?
They actually were outside, close to the door. As the witness is trying to demonstrate with his hands, they were just standing outside here. The proximity is from where he's standing and he's showing at the border of the witness box. And when they say that I should get into the vehicle, they shifted a bit so that I can, giving me an access into the vehicle.
Yes. Yes. Yes, you may proceed.
He answered to me that he was arrested, and I inquired, you are arrested of what? And he said, a case that has to do with
yes, you may not put that on record. He told he was arrested, and then what happened further?
Emva esekhulumile-ke lokho kwasekwenzakalani. Angisho ke ukutshelile konke akutshele khona kwase-ke kwenzakalani emva kwalokho. Nanoma ungasho ukuthi waphinde wakhuluma wathi qhubeka nje kwenzakalani.
Kwasekwenzakalani futhi eyakhuluma lokho ukuthi uboshiwe. Ngase ngiyambuka. Wasevele ekhuluma yaqeda ukuthi uboshelwe.
He did explain that he was arrested, and he proceeded to explain further as to why was he arrested.
Yes.
In Kawaloko.
Yes. Yes. What was it? Just tell us what happened. What was the discussion? What happened during the what was said?
sitsheleke ukuthi kwakhona wathiwani ngisho.
ukuthi wakhuluma wathi uboshelweni.
To
Yes.
say that why was he arrested?
Yes.
Yes,
Except for the Rustenburg case. Any other discussion?
Ngaphandle kwale case yaseRustenburg.
Ngisho uvele wakhuluma wangama.
He just continued to explain without being interjected to or perhaps without stopping. He just continued, unfolded to explain to me.
Yes.
What in
Ukhuluma uthi kimi Ntanzi. Hayi uthi mboshela ukuthi necala lenhlamvu aphinde ngaba necala lasefoso leli lika Meyiwa sale mazi Meyiwa sisephathini eForce.
he said to me that I had been arrested pertaining the matter of the possession of the ammunition, and further that I am accused or that I am arrested further of this Meyiwa case, that we had inflicted injuries on him. That is the phosphorus case. Was it in?
Yeah, just a minute.
Sisephathini.
Oh, and that they were at the. Then he said that they were at the party.
Yes.
Wathi wayehamba nabangani bakhe.
And he said that he was in the company of his friends.
Yes.
Wathi abangani bakhe ngomaphisa kodwa kasho ukuthi no wathi nomaphisa abangani bakhe.
He said it was Mapisa and them when he referred to his friends. Said Mapisa and them.
Hey, masithi nekulungile ndoda ububoshile.
So that it's fine. You are arrested already.
Masengikhipha u500 la kimi ephakethe ngamnika wajika wakhala wabhekana ngasengihamba kwaba kugcinana kwami ubonana naye.
I then took out 500 rands from my pocket and I gave it to him. He took the 500 rands and then turned away from me and he started crying. And that was the last that I saw of him. Wahamba.
Wahamba
I then left.
sehlukana kanjani.
That's how we parted our ways.
And if you can perhaps just try to use the exact words that he used when he told you about this Meyiwa case. What did he say?
Uma ke ungajaheka uma ekutshela ngaleli cala lika Meyiwa wathini wehlisa ijubane ke lapho makatshela ngaleli cala wathini
Yeah.
makatshela ngaleli cala lika Meyiwa
Wathi
sebenzisa lamazwi awasebenzisa yena makatshela ngaleli cala lika Meyiwa wathini
wathi mangitshela lokho wajika wakhala wabhekana.
makatshela ngaleli cala.
Yebo.
When he started relating to me about that matter, he turned away from me and he started crying, and looked into that direction or the opposite direction.
But what were his exact words? What did he say?
Wathini kahle kahle? Utheni makakutshela?
Khathe ngibikela.
Ngikathe kubikela wathini?
Wathi babe sephathini.
He said they were at the party.
Behamba nabangani bakhe.
And that he was in the company of his friends.
Yes.
Abo maphisa
Mapisa and them.
balimaza uMeyiwa babulala uMeyiwa.
They inflicted injury on Meyiwa. They killed Meyiwa.
Yes. Is it over?
Yebo yikho lokho akushoyo.
That's all he said.
Family, when everybody thought it is done, Advocate Ramosepile and Advocate Moshololo said, not yet. So let's listen to their cross-examination.
Then, with respect to this matter now, the phosphorus matter, where he says he said he was arrested for, they were with friends at the party, they injured Senzo, and he subsequently died. His instruction to me is the following.
Mayelana nalokho kwesibiliko okushilo othi yikona ke akutshela bona ukulimala kaSenzo, ukubulawa kaSenzo, abangane, uthi lalela-ke nako akushoyo uNtanzi, ulaleleke.
That what he told you is that not that he, as Ntanzi, said I killed Senzo. He says the police say they arrested me because I was with Mapisa, we were at the party, we injured and killed Senzo.
Uthi akutshela kona angithi wena uthe uma utshela inkantolo uNtanzi wathi kuwena sibulele uSenzo silimaze uSenzo besisephathini. Uthi cha akazange akutshele kanjalo. Awakusho kuwena ukuthi amaphoyisa athi mina naboMaphisa nabangane sasisephathini saze sabulala uSenzo. Uthi wakutshela kanjalo, hayi ukuthi wathi yena uyena oshoyo. Uthi wakutshela ukuthi amaphoyisa asho kanjalo. He didn't say it like that. Yeah.
What amaphoyisa?
He said the police said. Yes.
Eh.
What amaphoyisa?
Yes.
He said the police said.
Eh.
Yes.
Bafulele
They killed Meyiwa.
Mr. Buthelezi, I just need clarification on the conversation you had with accused number 2 inside the car. You understand?
Ngifuna nje ukuthi ngichazele kahle ngizwisise kahle mayelana nenkulumo owawunayo naye uNtanzi phakathi emotweni.
Did accused number 2 say he is arrested because he killed Senzo, or he said the police he is arrested because the police say he killed Senzo?
Ulalele kahle. Ingabe uNtanzi wathi kuwena ngiboshiwe ngoba ngibulele uSenzo noma ngiboshiwe ngoba amaphoyisa athi ngibulele uSenzo? Ikuphi kulelo?
uthi ngiboshiwe ngoba kuthiwa uSenzo.
He said, I'm arrested because it is alleged that, or it is being said, or it is being alleged that I killed Senzo.
Okay, thank you. And on that day, did you make any statement regarding that?
Ngalelo langa lelo ke enanikhuluma ngalo ingabe wasenza khona lokho okubhalwa phansi amaphoyisa abathi mabibizi bathi i-statement. Sikhona i-statement owasenza okwabhalwa phansi mayelana nalokho akutshela kona ngalelo langa lelo nani.
Okay, did you at any stage make the statement regarding your meeting with accused number 2?
Ingabe likhona ke noma ungasenzanga ngalelo langa likhona yini ilanga noma kamuva ola owenza khona ke i-statement mayelana nokuhlangana kwakho noNtanzi nikhulumele emotweni? Sikhona i-statement owasenza emaphoyiseni.
Abesefike ezongilanda endlini.
They came to fetch me at my home, my house.
Yes, and then?
Basekuthini?
Babuza ukuthi bese nanikhuluma nathini noNtanzi emotweni.
They then asked me, what is it that you were talking about with Ntanzi in the vehicle?
Okay, yes, continue and then you make the statement.
Eh.
Babhala phansi.
Babhala phansi.
They wrote down.
Okay, at the time when you make the statement, did you make the statement freely and voluntarily?
Nkathi ukwenza lokho noma nkathi ke leso statement usenza ukhuluma okuphuma kuwena ukhululekile kwakuyinto iphumelana nje kuwena?
Ukuthi ngangimangala namuntu ukwenza njani ngiqhamuka semboshwe ngoba ngangizwe ngiyobona umfoyi.
Okay, I was caught by surprise. That how is it now that I'm being arrested because I had just been called to come and see my brother.
Okay, were you threatened to make the statement?
Ingabe wasatshiswa yini noma bakwesabisa yini ukuthi wenze statement?
Ushuthu kwaba ngenza istatement ngamangazwa into esengehlela manje sikwenzakalani siqhamuka ukuthi sebenza ngala.
Okay. What led to me making the statement is now because I was now caught by surprise as to what was happening now, that now they are coming to fetch me.
Okay, but was there any force put to you in order to make the statement?
Yayikhona yini ingcindezi eyabekwa noma eyayikuwena eyakuphoqa ukuthi wenze statement? Noma kwakhona ukuphoqeka ukuthi wenze leso statement leso?
Ushuthi singabantu siyesesayo ukuthi ukukhuluma nephoyisa uye lapha lethiyana ngakhona.
As people, you get scared when you speak to a police officer. You then follow the direction that you are being led to by the police officer.
Thank you, my lord. I've got no further questions.
During the cross-examination by these two advocates, Buthelezi took a 180 degrees U-turn. He backtracked from his evidence and stated that Ntanzi actually said he is arrested because it is being said by the police that he killed Senzo. By the way, family, Ntanzi was fingered twice in the previous courts by Tumelo Madlala and Zandile Khumalo as the second intruder during the fatal night. Now today in this court, Buthelezi becomes the third person to point a finger at him. Family, I've got some few concerns when it comes to this part of this case. Why did the police allow Buthelezi to sit inside the police vehicle while they stood outside the car? Is it legal what these police did to allow a prisoner to closely interact with a free person? According to Buthelezi, they did not stand very far from the car. Don't you think this was a trap? Family, don't you think the police wanted Ntanzi to confess as the killer, especially since there are allegations that Ntanzi was tortured by the police at some stage? What if the police who were there recorded their conversation? Under no circumstances, a person who is arrested will be allowed to interact very close with a free person. When police transport prisoners from court, they normally drive them straight back to custody. They do not take unnecessary stops. Buthelezi indicates that the following day, the police came to his place to formally take statements from him. This is very interesting, family. In the comment section, family, please, let's talk about this issue. What do you think about it? What do you think about this police who gave Buthelezi and Ntanzi space and time to talk about their issues? What are you saying about it? Family, let's talk. And thank you very much for you to watch this video to the end. Please like this video before you leave. Subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so yet. Thank you, family. I love you. Bye-bye.